It's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I've got a really quick video for you today. This is a Pegasus mold that I made literally years ago. I can't even, might have been 10 years ago. I have already dusted, let's see, I dusted the wing down here with this Primary Elements, and it is the Ginger Peach. Then this is just one of those no-name micas that I got off of maybe Temu. It might have been AliExpress, I'm not sure. Okay, this is regular Bond Craftor resin. I have put a level scoop with my little spoon, a level scoop of, this is the Unicorn Art Crushed Crystal Magical Mica. And then I put 2 squirts of, this is the Hippie Crafter Gold. Okay, it's really pretty. And I'm sure there's more in here than I need. Just a bit. I don't want to overflow the mold for sure. I'm sure y'all heard me say I'm already a messy enough resiner. And for those of you that are worried about, I normally do polymer clay videos. I not stop doing polymer clay videos by any means. But right now, the temperature is just not warm enough to turn my little space heater off under my desk. So I can't run the space heater and my polymer clay oven at the same time. So it actually looks pretty full. Oh my goodness. Okay, I don't talk about this very often, but I would really appreciate if y'all could say a prayer. Out of a job for well over a year, and I mean, he was doing odd jobs, but he hasn't had a real job, as we women like to say. So I am so thankful. One more thing while all this is drying. I want you to look. Not a drop of resin on my mat. This is a first, y'all. I'll explain a little bit what I mean by this is a booger to demold. It's not because of any other reason than this mold is so thick. So rolling it back is about the only thing you can do. And it also gets stuck between these little grooves between the crystals. If you just keep rolling it back. Keep working it, keep working it. But I've got several of these, so I'm a big fan. I love how this turned out. So pretty. So pretty. Like I said, I made this years ago. I used to be on the Illumilite design team. This was like 10 years ago or better. Probably better. So this is the Illumilite casting rubber or something like that, I think it's called. It used to be called, I'm not sure. Alright, now this is not a shiny mold, obviously. But it can be made shiny. really like that. Pray for my family. Pray for my husband especially. His self-confidence was so low. I'm so thrilled about this job. I haven't even allowed myself to get excited about it or talk about it other than to pray about it. Bye for now.